emotionally taxing and financially costly. This is how Advocate Zola Majavu has described the toll that the delays by the National Prosecuting Authority have had on his client. Majavu represents former ANC national spokesperson Pule Mabe and his wife in the 27 million rand fraud case emanating from a tender awarded in 2017 by the Gauteng Department of Agriculture to Mabe's company Pule Mabe for waste management services. Pule Mabe allegedly did not disclose that it had links to Mabe, who was a member of parliament at the time. On Tuesday, the state requested a postponement until July, citing a need to amend its charge sheet against the 7 accused.
The state is still in the process of finalizing the charge sheet and would like to furnish or give this charge sheet to the legal representatives before the next date, which we have arranged, the 8th of July.
The magistrate granted the request, postponing the matter to next month, but urged the state to furnish the accused with the charge sheet before the end of June.
Matter postponed to the 7th of July 2025 for a charge sheet which will be provided on or before the 30th of June, and thereafter a trial date may be set on the 7th of July 2025.
Mabe's legal representative, Advocate Zola Majavu, bemoaned the latest delay, saying it was taxing on his client.
There's emotional trauma that my clients are subjected to. Whether they'll be found guilty or not guilty, we need to get going. But unfortunately, they asked for an opportunity to amend the charge sheet. We agreed that they have until the 7th to do so, and I specifically requested the court, and the court agreed with me that it will make sense if we get given that version of the charge sheet earlier than the 7th.
Mabe announced the enlisting of Majavu's services in March. This was after Majavu, in November last year, headed up ANC Minister Zizi Godwa's legal team, which led to the NPA dropping the charges against Godwa. Having received the initial charge sheet from the state in March, Majavu said there were glaring mistakes.
I have it in writing where I asked pertinent questions, and they pretty much said, yeah, well, we made a mistake here, it was a typo. Instead of accused number 6, we wrote accused number 5. And that's exactly the point that I was making, to say, colleagues, look at the charge sheet, there are obvious errors. And this is why today you heard the state say they are asking for a postponement.
Majavu's claim comes amid growing concerns regarding how the National Prosecuting Authority has prosecuted high-profile cases. Earlier this month, the NPA was left with egg on its face after Muradi Cholota, the former PA to ex-Free State Premier Ace Magashule, won an application challenging the manner in which the state extradited her to South Africa. For Newsroom Africa on Channel 405, I'm Junior Kumalo at the Palm Ridge Specialized Commercial Crimes Court.